All right, guys, it's time for episode 3 of Through the Mail Autographs. What autographs I received through the mail today. We ended up getting 4 in the box today. And I think we're going to go ahead and add a what sold on eBay to this too, because I didn't sell very much stuff on eBay today. So we're just going to combine the two, and here's our first request. It's from Provo, Utah. Let's see who it is. Oh, there we go. It's Vance Law on an 87 Donruss opening day. I like those cards. Here's an 88 Topps. Vance Law has a nice autograph. Here's a 1982 Topps. And I don't think that's his rookie card because there's a 1981 Topps. Man, that's a good card right there. Tony Pena was a heck of a catcher. And Pascual Perez, he was a very good pitcher too. So there's the 4 cards we got from Vance Law. Very nice. I'm going to have to see if I can find an 84 card because I'm working on that 84 Topps set. Not really, but I have an 84 Topps set I'm sending out. Greenville, South Carolina is our second one. Let's see what we got. 1987 Bob Kipper. We got a Pirates theme today. 1988 Topps Bob Kipper. $19.89 Bob Kipper. There's a 1991 Fleer Bob Kipper. And a 1992 Bob Kipper. I was just talking to somebody last night on my channel about how these Fleer cards are really nice to get autographed. I'm going to start sending more Fleer cards out because, man, those look really nice autographed. I'm going to run out of room here. Put this stuff. This Axemen in Henderson County, this is a movie that I made. And when we do our What Sold video, we actually sold one of those movies, and I'll have to sign it for them to send it out. They bought a director signed copy, so I get to sign it. It's cool when you get to sell your own autograph. Actually, the autograph's free with the movie, so I'm not really making any money off the autograph. But people like to have the director sign it, though. All right. Daryl Moose Johnston on this, what was this, 92 score? 91 score? I can't remember. It's been, like I said, it's been like 20 years since I collected cards. This is a 92 Fleer. So we got 2 cards back from Moose. He was actually one of my favorite players. I was a big Cowboys fan. And I met Moose, and he switched pens for me, which was really nice of him, to sign this photo with me and him. And he signed it Moose also, which is really nice. So that's awesome. We'll put that in the album with the rest of them. And that came out of Texas. And this one's from North Texas as well. Let's see who this is. All right, Bobby Witt on a 91 Classics card. This was what, 91 score, I think, or 90 score? I think this is 90 score. Nope, 91 score, so what was my first guess? My lighting's a little off. I'm not getting the focus I want. I never thought these cards looked very nice, but you know what, that's probably the nicest card of it so far. I may try to send out some more of those. That looks really nice. There's a 91 Stadium Club and a 87 Fleer. I believe that's all the autographs that we got. So I want to thank Mr. Bobby Witt, Mr. Bob Kipper, Mr. Vance Law, and Mr. Moose Johnston for signing my cards. And we'll see you guys next time. Maybe tomorrow we'll have some more TTM goodness for you. All right, we sold this Axeman of Henderson County DVD. We sold it for $10. I think that was shipped. And I always like to sign them when somebody buys it. But I want to thank whoever bought that. If it was a viewer, I appreciate it. If you like really low budget, really cheesy horror movies, you might enjoy this. It's got Hacksaw Jim Duggan in it, from WWE Hall of Famer. It's got Major Harris in it, who's a college football Hall of Famer. And it's got Jeremy Ambler, who was a zombie in The Walking Dead. And like I said, it's just a crazy, little funny, zany, low-budget movie. All right, let's see what else we sold. What's up, YouTube? This is everything we sold in the last couple days. We went ahead and put this together. You saw the through the mail stuff. I actually started collecting autographs back in the 80s. I took a 20-year hiatus and started sending off some letters. I thought it would be fun. Actually, back in the day, I used to sell them. I'm not selling them now. I'm just collecting them because I want to collect them. So you won't find any of those for sale on my store. But let's see what we did sell. All right, we sold an autographed wrestling 8x10. Tell you, today, the last couple of days have been really slow. I think we only have like 4 items to pull today. And we only sold 4 items in the past couple of days. That's really, really bad for us. We have 1,400 items in our store, and we usually do a lot better than that. So hopefully it gets better. So we're looking for a Shannon Moore. I think that was his name. There's some M's. There we go. Signed by Shannon Moore and Jesse Neal. Guess they were in TNA. I don't know too much about them. We paid $5 for this off a guy that brings in a lot of wrestlers for appearances. We sold this for $13.99, so we didn't make a lot of money. We used to do a lot of independent wrestling shows where we filmed the events, and we got to set up at the events to sell our autographs and sell, I sold copies of my movie, and it was a good way to promote, stuff and make money. But I haven't been doing that for the last couple of years. The pandemic put a hurting on that, so there really isn't no wrestling shows anymore. But we got $13.99 for it. We sold a Kentucky Wildcats jacket. I don't know if it's in here or not. I might have put it in here. Tell the truth, I don't know where it is. Sometimes I put them in here, sometimes I put them someplace else. It's not in here. Let's check the jackets. Let me try to find it. All right, we sold this Larry Fitzgerald jersey. We paid $3.99 for this. And we sold it for $34.99. I was looking for a Kentucky, windbreaker. I went through all these totes, including the hat tote, just in case it was in there. I looked through all those totes, all those totes, all these totes, all those totes, all those totes, all those jackets over there, all those jackets over there, all those totes over there. We got totes over here. I looked through all that stuff. Looked through these totes here. Some of that's some stray coats and stuff. I can't find it. I'm going to have to, I guess, refund the customer. I hate it when I can't find stuff.